think Bonito has been very, helpful for us, very patient with us. From the initial design process, pottery to the flower, vases, everything.
Hi, I'm Raghavan. I'm basically a media professional. We are a family of four. She's my daughter, Pooja, and I'm my wife, and we have a son, and his name is Arish. Leaving except the four walls, we want to literally change everything, right from our flooring to, in terms of my wardrobes to everything already. In fact, orientation changes also. I think we've been ruffling few conversations with our friends and colleagues, and that's the time I heard about the name Bonito Designs. The experience center of Bonito, I would say, and actually we are impressed as we walked in. We really liked a few of the designs which is displayed there. Actually, what we were expecting.
My favorite corner would be definitely my dressing table. So I have a lot of makeup stuff that I can keep, and the big huge mirror with its asymmetrical pattern and the lights behind it. I think that's the highlight of my room.
Yeah, when you talk about asymmetrical pattern, I'm a very symmetrical guy. The entire hall has been done very symmetrical, including my beadings. So I want a specific European kind of a beading for my hall. So we're very particular about it. We want to keep it very clean and neat. One of the things we asked for specifically is about how to design all the three rooms actually. The way the orientation, what Reshma came up with is absolutely right. It completely changed orientation.
He helped us, bring some lively, some modern look to the small room, which was very plain in the beginning. We had only a very small cupboard.
So I think every aspect of it, I think the choices of Bonito has given, really helped us to firm these. And on rating scale, I would still give, though I'm very happy, I would still give an 8. So that way, it's, and I would most probably recommend to anybody confidently that yes, you can go ahead and choose Bonito as your design partners to fulfilling, to get your dreams into executions.